Hello, my name is Sarah Ogiefa. This project is a local food discovery web app built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript ES modules. I implemented the geolocation API to detect the user's current position. When the user allows location access, the application retrieves their latitude and longitude. These coordinates are then used in two ways. First, to display the user's approximate location, and second, to fetch real-time weather data using the Open Weather Map API. The weather data is retrieved asynchronously using the Fetch API inside a try and catch block. This ensures proper error handling if the API request fails. The temperature is then used to dynamically recommend local foods based on weather conditions. I use the Fetch API to load local JSON data for foods and restaurants. I used asynchronous JavaScript with try and catch to handle errors safely. The website dynamically generates more than 15 food and restaurant cards using JavaScript. Each item displays multiple properties like name, image, description, category, rating, and location. I implemented modal dialog to show detailed food and restaurant information. Users can also save favorites using local storage. The project is structured using ES modules, separating logic into reusable files like common.js, food.mjs, and restaurant.js. Here is my home page with all the categories of food displayed. The home page can be viewed in two ways, either the large screen view with two grid columns or the small screen view with one grid column. I implemented the hamburger menu for the small screen view. I also implemented the food guide showing the 15 categories of food which are categorized into street food, main dish, and snacks. As you click on any of the food items of the modal view, we can add the food item to my favorites by clicking on it, and I can also remove it from my favorites. I can also go ahead and add another food item to my favorites, and so when I click on my favorites, all the food items that are added are displayed on my favorite page. I also made provision for the restaurant guide, and the restaurants are sorted out by either the distance or by rating. You can see from the, so all these are the on display. Like you can click on any of the restaurants and it's displayed, you know, and You can also save the restaurant and click OK. Thank you.